Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your phone is charged and that you can sign into the account you want to protect. Open the account's security or two-factor authentication section and choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. Once selected, the site will present a QR code or a secret key. Make sure you can view it on screen while holding your phone. Now, open Google Authenticator and choose the option to add a new account so you can capture that code. You will now add the account inside Google Authenticator by scanning the QR code shown on the website, point your phone camera, and let the app register the account. If scanning fails, select Manual Entry and type the secret key exactly as presented, labeling the account for clarity. Make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time because Authenticator codes rely on synchronized time windows. Once the code appears, move to the site to finish verification. Enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator into the website's verification field to complete setup. You must do this within the current time window. After verification, save any provided backup codes or write down the secret key and store it securely. This is the only recovery method if you lose the phone. If verification fails, make sure your phone time is synced and retry scanning. If needed, remove and re-add the account as a final troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.